my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week. I do wig related content, a little bit of makeup, some let's just talk about life type stuff. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. Today we're doing a wig review. I didn't even have this one like set out in my wig head situation here. I remember seeing some reviews on this and it was sitting here and I thought, you know, let's do this one today. So this is another one from Vanessa hair, and this is Miss YOWON, because it would be, yeah, YOWON. And I have her in the color SP430. She has the C-shaped parting. She's heat safe up to 360 degrees. And I scooped her from Glamour Trust for $20. So she comes in this box. She's not even unboxed. Like, this is so unlike me. Let's unbox her. Ugh. Okay. This is similar to what I was feeling with, what was the other chick's name? Sao or Co. I love the length. I love the texture. She's probably like 18-ish inches long. She's a nice yaki texture, beautiful wave. She's got a little bump. It's not anywhere near what Sao's was, so I might be able to work with it. She has 2 combs in the front, close to the part, comb in the back, adjustable straps. I don't remember if Sao was a tight wig cap or not, so let's get her on and see what we're talking about. I like the color. This reminds me a lot of the Zuri Raven. I think it was Zuri. Okay. Oh, okay, girl. I do not like the bump. Let me see where the... So it's not actual like ear tabs, so you could shift her a little bit. I feel like there's a lot of lace for me to cut back. So where she's sitting naturally, she is that sort of... See, I don't mind that. She's starting in the center and then going around. You could deepen it if you wanted to, onto the right side or onto the left, but the bump is on this side, so I'm gonna sit her. Density's nice, it's not super full. Oh goodness, now I feel about a bump. I'm gonna actually slide her just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna slide her just slightly right, like she's already this part. Okay, let me get her together before I start having feelings. Together. I like her better than Co, I'll tell you that right now. I love this color, this number 4, and then I think you can see like, yeah, right in here you see just a little bit of that 30 in there. So I like that it just gives more of a natural highlight. I like the length. I'm really not crazy about these C-shaped parts. You know, I don't like a bump. I dislike this bump way less than others. Yeah, I kind of like it more like this. I think I just have to play with it to get it sitting where I like it. I don't hate it. I love the texture. I love the length. The cap is comfortable. It could skew bigger, I think. I didn't adjust it. I didn't even think about adjusting it. And it does feel like it could be a little bit loose on me right now. Like if I would adjust it, it would be fine. Just play some things. Yeah, I kind of like this. It does remind me a lot of ZURY'S Raven. A lot. Except Raven didn't have this C-shaped parting. So if you like this, but you don't want the bump or the parting, I would say ZURY'S Raven, and I think it's in a 4/30 or something. I have a review on it. Let's look at her from the back. Checking to see if it did have that weird thing that I don't like on the top. It isn't too bad. I think this is a pretty wig. I feel like this is a wig I could really love, but I would just need to maybe like play with where it's sitting or something. You know, I'm not a huge fan of bangs. I don't hate these bangs. I guess this is what I don't like, and I could fix this, but how this is like wavy, if you're not careful, the bangs are just like sort of straight, and I don't really like that. I would like them to go more like that. I mean, I could curl it for sure. Sometimes I just want the wig to like, it's all personal preference. So, but for the most part, I wear, you know, when wearing wigs, my goal is not to have to do a crap ton of styling. Like, and I didn't even have to pluck the part or anything. The C-shape parting with the brush that I use was difficult to get powder in, but let me just try a different brush. Yeah, this is better because that toothbrush that I use that I really like, it's just hard to get into this type of parting. I could pluck a little bit, but I don't feel like it's like necessary, so that's nice. Yeah, I really like her. I would suggest her if you like the style for sure, because I'm not getting a ton of tangling. I'm not getting any shedding, so that's good. I feel like, especially because I know some people like the bump. This one isn't as bumped as Sayo, and it's a little bit longer. I think it could be really like sexy and pretty. It's not super heavy, so you could wear it probably in most climates. I would need to cut the lace back, but I'm just not doing that right now because I'm not decided if I'm keeping her. If I'm not keeping her, I'm not going to cut the lace all the way back because then somebody else can fit it to their preference. Yeah, she's really pretty. This color is so gorgeous. I've never been unhappy with a color that I've gotten from Vanessa hair, like at all. I like their color mixes. They're very natural. I feel like they're more on a natural side. Okay, so this is Miss YOWON, and tell me what you think. Do you have this wig? Do you like her? Do you have another color? Do you have another Vanessa hair wig that you would like to see a review on? Put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video.